Removal. Use a forefinger and thumb to press on one of the shoulder strap clips that attach the strap to the jacket and remove the strap from the clip. Pull the clip through the loop that secures it to the small bar in the recess on the jacket. Remove the clip from the jacket. Detach the shoulder strap from the second strap clip attached to the jacket. Note, the second clip is removed in the same way. Attachment. Remove one of the strap clips from the shoulder strap. Place the loop of the clip around the small bar recessed in the jacket. Pull the clip through the loop. Push the clip connector on the strap into the clip attached to the jacket until it clicks securely into position. Note, the second shoulder strap clip is replaced in the same way to secure the shoulder strap to the jacket.